owning a home isn't what people play it out to be. In fact, home ownership was often romanticized as the American dream, but that was just a construct by national banks that manipulated people in order to get mortgages to buy property on a promissory note to make interest off them. So that was just deployed to make money off of people. The banks need to sell products to make money, and product and credit is definitely one of those. The best way to make money off people is sell them a home because it's collateral. The bank still has the deed until you pay off the note, and during that time the bank makes tons of interest over time, and you're stuck in that home. And when you can believe the fact that you are free and you have the house with the white picket fence and a nice family, you've actually made it in life. But actually the bank is profiting and they're getting rich. Now, homeownership doesn't necessarily mean you're wealthy. In fact, the definition of wealth is the accruation of assets and different streams of income that make money and appreciate over time. Real estate is one of them, but you have to understand the amount of money that you would have to put up in real estate would not be nearly as much profit as you could possibly make if you were to start something low cost like a YouTube channel, a service-related business, or just any internet business. What's the cost of a domain? What's the cost of a YouTube channel? Like this YouTube channel here, it makes me money while I sleep. I posted a video that I posted years ago that didn't cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars, would actually make me hundreds of thousands of dollars over time. So if you look at the cost and the price, cost and return on my investment analysis, it actually supersedes that of your average real estate deal. In order to make real estate money, a lot of money in real estate, yeah, you could have a rental property, but you have to cough up so much money just to make a little bit of money back every single month. And you have to wait a long, long, long time. And time being the most valuable currency, because once it's gone, you can't get it back. I would much rather make money more quicker and efficiently than just wait long. Real estate is a great way to park your money, but there are other ways to park your money as well. For instance, let's say if I bought a car for $80,000, but I only drove it twice a month. Well, it would actually make more sense to rent that exact same car, and if I only use it twice a month. So if you're out here renting things to create the image or the idea to the outside world that you are rich and living outside of your means, then that's not smart at all. But if you're already wealthy and rich already, and you understand the cost price analysis and return on your investment, and will just don't see the sensical part of buying something that you can easily rent for a couple days a month and still have the enjoyment of it, then that makes sense, and not dealing with the liabilities, the maintenance, and the wear and tear of the vehicle and stuff like that. You can just let it go and get another vehicle. So it does make sense on that regard. Now, let's say if you travel the world, owning a home probably won't suit you justice unless you rent it, but like I said, you have to cough up money just to make money on rent. And in order to make money, a lot of money in real estate, the most profit in real estate comes with real estate flipping and construction deals. You buy land, you develop it, you construct it, and then you make a lot of profit. But how long is that going to take? You're going to have to deal with contractors, you're going to have to deal with municipality laws, you're going to have to deal with property tax and insurance. It's a big headache, and it takes time, stress out of your life. And so real estate is not what people played out to be. Don't fall for it. Now, if you're a real estate agent and you're trying to sell homes, yeah, you got to do everything you can to convince people. But then again, you're just trying to sell a home. You're not trying to objectively tell them financial advice. You're just trying to sell a home. But when a real estate agent is trying to give someone financial advice, they're not a financial advisor. They're trying to sell a home to the person and try to make the person believe that they're giving them the right financial advice. But it's just to suit their interests. So at the end of the day, when it comes to anything you need in life, understand the intent law. What is that person's intent? What are they trying to get you to do? What do they want you to do? And understand where the manipulation lies, right? Understand why people think having a home constitutes as being wealthy. Nope. Doesn't mean you're wealthy, it just means you own a home. Americans think that owning a home constitutes as freedom, but you're not really getting any freedom. You just bought yourself a beautiful prison.